Look at all of that. That's all asphalt. I mean, not asphalt, that's cement. Is that okay? Is that okay for you guys to be breathing in? Do you think they care about your health? Do you think they care about you? No. Don't give a shit. Look at that. That is really bad. They're hammered. Look at that. They don't. Look at that. This is how much they care about you guys. I mean, that is fucking bullshit. That is bullshit. San Joaquin driving range. Yep. Yep, off the hook. Look at that. They don't give a fuck about their customers. Look at that. Let's see how, okay. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yep, y'all want to come and send balls downrange here because they really care about their customers. They really do. They sure do. San Joaquin driving range in Irvine. Yep, that's them. This is how they treat their customers. How they treat the customers. If they're not sending dirt in your face from the tractors, they're doing this. They're doing work. Oh my god. Ah, look at you. Look at you guys. That's bullshit.